because it's Easter, we're going to do chocolate and wine. Why not? We love chocolate, we love wine, they should go well together. Guess what? They don't go well together. But let's look at what works and the similarity. If you think that this nice piece of chocolate here with a nice glass of Cabernet Sauvignon will put you in a corner of paradise, well, you're mistaken again. Because both have high tannins. Red wine, especially Cabernet, has big tannins. So does chocolate. My textbook schooling as a sommelier was always, the wine always has to be sweeter than the chocolate. The wine always has to be sweeter than any food product that you have. Otherwise you create an imbalance. We get that, okay, that's the guideline, okay. Where it pays is to see where we can slightly cheat with those guidelines and see what you can pull off. This is what we're going to do today. Chocolate and wine, or food and wine, is about having a conversation. If you have conversation from one to the other, then you really maximize the experience. You can assess chocolate by looking at its shine. You can also look at the color. The color will be an indication of the origin of the beans. And then on your mouth, you can sort of let it melt slightly and then see the sort of flavor that are left behind. With chocolates like these, they are slightly more fruity, tannic, less lingering sweetness. I thought, well, why don't we bring a wine, a Pinot Noir from Central Otago in South Island, New Zealand. This is textbook Central Otago Pinot. When I swirl it and smell it, oh my God, I'm traveling thousands of kilometers just by closing my eyes. Why? Because it's typical of where it comes from. And this is that sort of lifted fruit, spice, dried herb, thyme, wild thyme. And that's a recurring theme in these wines. On the palate, gosh, it has this sort of elegance, this iron fist in a velvet glove. It delivers intensity, but in a very certain way. Very good tannin, good acidity, fruity. Central Otago Pinot Noir has more volume than normal wines, the normal Pinot Noir. That is why I've chosen it with this particular chocolate. And there is communication. It does work. It actually freshens up the palate. So that is what this wine uses, a contrast rather than a complementary match, while bringing a bit of dry fruity characters, acidity, and freshening up the chocolate. The next chocolate is your classic milk chocolate. And here I thought, well, let's look at classic wine that you think might go very well, which is Barossa Shiraz. It has this chocolatey character, dried licorice, earthy, oak flavor. Very good producer. The oldest vines go back to 1840, 1842. It is pretty much the oldest vines of Shiraz anywhere on the planet. 2017, a fresher, cooler year, but it displays this typical character that you find in Barossa Shiraz. So let's have a look. Classic nose, spicy plum, deep set of characters. On the palate, there is volume, there is power. It's a masculine wine. It tells you it's here. Glowing core of fruit that keeps going and going. Ooh, that's really nice. Now that's going to be challenging with this, because that chocolate has a creaminess, richness. When it melts, you have this beautiful warm sensation which is replicated in the wine. Again, there is conversation here, but I fear that the chocolate sweetness, richness just slightly nibbles a corner of that kind of relationship that could have happened with that wine. So I'm going to bring another wine in. Buller's Muscat. This is your ideal chocolate wine. It goes with almost any type of chocolate. It has high alcohol because it's fortified. It has more age because it's aged over time. And it has this beautiful aroma of dried sultana. More like if you take a Christmas pudding and you put it in a blender, you have this really rich spice, liquefied raisin. Oh, it's just a beautiful wine. This is the wine you can really bring back to this milk chocolate. Next one is your white chocolate. So this is a challenge in itself. But however, even though that chocolate is challenging, I think I have my happiest relationship here with my tonic wine. So this is Nectar, which is really much a take on Sauterne, this really sweet, luscious wine from France. It's a wine that is so concentrated. It has dried apricot. It has this creamy richness, bit of honey spice, heather honey on the palate. Bit of dried almond. So pleasing. But the good thing about this wine, it doesn't leave a lasting sugary impression. Now with your white chocolate, which has a similar creamy character, It's always important to keep intensive flavor together when you match food and wine, because that's where communication happens. If one is too loud and one talks on the top of the other, it doesn't. It's a one-way conversation. That's not what we want. This is working. Thumbs up. Your last one, you can see already had a bite, is the typical Lindt chocolate, which is made of the same milk chocolate. It's much thinner walls, so the impression of the chocolate is quite different. So when you eat a normal block and you eat this, you feel it's different, it's the same chocolate, but it's just the melting character is different and you have a different impression from it. I'm going to pull out my joker of all wines, which is my Muscat, to go with this perfect Lindt chocolate. Oh, bring it on, bring it on. There is that synergy, there is similar level of intensity. There's no objection, there's nobody screaming, and don't go with the other. It totally works. One rule is you need to enjoy it. If it doesn't make sense to you, heck, have a Pinot Noir with white chocolate, which actually can work very well too. Have a Muscat with the dark chocolate, or have a white wine if you think it works for you. That is really what you have to look at. I don't know about you, but I'm going to finish this glass and the chocolate ale, and I'm going to wish you all the best, and hopefully see you soon again online. Cheers, guys.